Welcome back to the Techie Bytes by resoluteaiin. You are watching this video, which means you want to explore more about Power BI. That's awesome. Check out our previous videos for better understanding. Well, I have been following this series from the start, and I have an understanding of what is Power BI, what are its components, and how to import data to it. So now my question is, how do we transform the data in Power BI?
Alright, I'll show you. But before that, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell icon for future videos and updates. Now let's jump into Power BI desktop. So first, we'll import our data, TeXCSV. Select the file name. We'll get the preview of our data. Transform data. So it will take us to the Power Query editor. This is how our data will look like in Power Query editor. Here we can even change the name of our table. Let's make it sales. So now we have some issue with our first row. We have null values. So let's go in the top. There is remove rows, remove top rows. Now we can specify the number of rows and it will remove it. You can see in our quantity column we have some null values. So let's replace that. Select the column and right click, replace values. Replace the null with 0. Let's see our other columns as well. So in this gender column we have female.com. Let's remove that as well. Select the column, right click, replace values, replace the .com with blank. Click OK and it's done. So this way we can do many manipulation stuff with our data however we like. Pretty easy, right? Now let's create a conditional column for our gender column. Go to add column, conditional column. So it will create a custom column. Add the column name, gender, and if it's equal to male, we want 1. And if it's equal to female, we want 0. Click OK. So what it does is it creates a new column. So its data type is not detected. We can change it from here to whole number. And we can also rename it. So let's rename it to gender 2. For the data type, we can also change the data type from the home button, the tab, like from here, data type for any column. And here you can see all the applied steps that we did. It's here. So let's say if we want to we don't want a specific column, so we can just right click and remove it. So it will also get added as a step here, and if we want it back, we can just click and the column is back.
That looks pretty easy. If we are using say Python for such transformation, it will require us to write code in order to do it. But here it's pretty fast and easy.
Yes, true. But let me tell you, in Power BI as well, the code is generated for each transformation that we make in our data. And if we want, we can directly edit it from here or write our own code for that. So after you're done with all the data transformation, you can just close and apply. And then our transform data will get loaded in the Power BI. If you have large amount of data, it will take time to load the data. Now you can see our data is added in the Power BI. We can see the column names and we can select the desired chart that we want to create. Just select the column names and drag and drop, and you are good to go.
Great. Let me try these steps myself once. And if I have any doubts, I will write them in the comment section.
Sure. As soon as you finish practicing this, we will head towards DAX queries. Till then, keep watching.